Like and subscribe my channel and share with those guys who want to learn SD-WAN.
Yeah, on the switch side, I have already changed some IP. I have changed some VPN BGP 6551 no neighbor 192.168.2.2 remote PS. Why this command is not typing? Neighbor 192.168.30.2. 30.2 we are having here show IP interface 3. Yeah, correct. 30.2 remote is 6552. Yes. Not VPN 10 neighbor remote is not configured. What is this? Remote is configured, no remote is. Okay. Show running config.
The neighbor that you have removed,
Uh,
192.168.2.2, you can remove it without remote AS. Because in your running configuration, there is no remote AS mentioned.
oh, it is there. See, it is there. Here. Let me try that one because it is there, but maybe for the removing PGP 6551.
The problem is you have enabled the VPN family. That is why it is showing in inside of the VPN family, and you are trying to remove it from the outside, not going inside of the VPN family. Either you follow the VPN family structure, or if you want to remove it out from outside, then remove it from outside.
You mean to say I have configured my neighbor under the remote this VPN family?
Yes, you will
No,
have to remove it under the address family VPN v4.
under the address family VPN before. So neighbor command is not there. I have not configured it. Okay, let me go to outside first. Let me check. No. Show running config.
There are two options. Either you can go inside VPN 10 and then just remove this neighbor 192.168.2.2. That's it, without mentioning remote AS.
Yeah, I will try that one. Router BGP 6551. No neighbor 192.168.2.2. Is it so? Right?
Yep.
Commit. Yeah, I think it's working. Neighbor 192.168 dot 30.2 remote is 6555. commit. Okay. Show API BGP summary. Interface description. And interface G05 address create one page up now. So I'm here 10 dot. I'm learning this. Okay, 10.10, 10.50. Okay, so on this one, now I will check on branch 1 that I'm receiving this prefixes or not from BGP. Show OMP routes. Like that. So 10 dot 30. Which is it? Okay, it is not receiving. Show IP interface, please. So I need to assign my address here so that this PC will be detect the switch GI0/1 10.30.10.1 config C interface GI0/1 IP address switch port IP address 10.30.10.1 /30 /30. Show IP interface brief. Okay. Ping 10.30.10.2. It's pinging. Okay. On branch 1, it should refresh. Here we can see now 10.30.10.0. So what we have done, we have configured one neighbor between this vEdge to this switch. I think command is show BGP neighbor. Is up established. Okay. So the same thing, the troubleshooting will start like from this. If you are not redistributing, in one of the lab I got stuck because I forgot to distribute the BGP under the OMP. So the same thing we can check step by step that we are receiving these routes on BGP or not. Then either we are distributing to the OMP or not. So only these two things we have done. We have just configured the BGP as we normally do for every router. Only difference is that here under the OMP we distribute the advertise the BGP, and when we have configured the neighbor we redistribute the OMP. That's it. So that's how it is learning from BGP and distributing to the OMP. So on the branch one, we can see now if you can ping VPN 10 10.30.10.1, it's pinging to bit count. Okay, it is also pinging. Branch one is able to communicate this PC, which is just behind the this switch, and we are running eBGP between them.
So we
That's
need to
how it's
enable the BGP inside of the, I mean, the service VPN and then redistribute OMP into that and vice versa, like
correct,
in
correct,
OMP and then.
correct. So vice versa, we need to redistribute to OMP to BGP and BGP to OMP. That's what we need to do. So we have BGP we are running. So it's depend on you. You can also run the IBGP. So it's not any hard and fix. So ABGP we are running. That's how it works. The protocols. BGP. OS for the OSPF it is same. We need to configure the OSPF here, and that's it. It will work. So here we also covered the application with routing. Yeah. You can continue to your lab. I have found one policy application where routing I will show you later. So deploy the AWS application with routing and one policy. Sorry, we can provide SP policy, and that's it. Two policy we have covered today. One is just for overview and how application block works, and some API BGP in LAN. So you can continue to your lab. I'm here. If any issue, definitely we will resolve it together.
Like and subscribe my channel and share with those guys who want to learn SD-WAN. Thank you so much.